Good morning. So today we want to continue our discussion on angles. Don't forget we said that if a line crosses two parallel lines, such a line is called transversal. This line will be transversal or transverse line. So don't forget your angles that will be formed once a transversal crosses two parallel line or even a parallel line. You get a transversal, some angles will be formed. For example, if it's just a parallel line, you would have vertically opposite angles only. So from here to here, that means here and here, vertically opposite here and here, vertically opposite. So if your transversal crosses only one line, the only angle you can have there is vertically opposite angles. Don't forget we also have a straight line angle also. And if a transversal crosses two parallel lines, then you have other angles also. You have your corresponding, for instance, two parallel lines like this, from here and here will be corresponding, here and here is also corresponding. Also at the lower part, here and here is corresponding, here and here is also corresponding. So for our alternate angle, let's see a diagram here is derived from writing something like letter Z. So here, this side and this opposite side is alternate because it's within our transversal line. Also here and here is alternate angle. Don't forget all these three angles are all equal. What I was saying yesterday, in our corresponding angle, if let's assume that 70 degrees is written here, that means you just automatically copy this 70 degree here. They are the same. If this side is 70 degree, this side will be 70 degree. So if they now decide to change the degree here to something like 80 degree, that means you just copy 80 degree here and 80 here and 80 here. So it's automatically the same. Also, our alternate angles are the same also. The number you have here, the figure you have here, the degree, like 60 degree, copy the 60 degree here also. So, and same as corresponding angles, vertically opposite and alternate angle. Only interior angle are not the same. Interior angles add up to 180 degree. Let's take an example of interior angles. Okay, let's bring let's say these are two parallel lines, and this is a line that is a transversal line. So here and here will be our interior angles. And don't forget, when they say this side is 60 degree and they say this side is X degree, how do you get? Look at this now. Vertically opposite is at this side. That means just copy the 60 degree here. So how will you get this side? Just remove 60 degree from sum of a straight line, which is 180 degree. You will get 60 minus 180 degree will give us 120. So automatically 120 degree will be here. That's our straight line. That's straight line. We have straight line here. So when you add the two together, it gives you 180 degree. Also here, you remove it from straight line. Some of it now is 180 degree, that will remain 120 degree. So if you look at this now, you add all these degrees together, it gives us 360 because it's already forming a circle. That's angle at a point. Let's look at it. 60 plus 120 is 180. 60 plus 120 here too is 180. 180 plus 180 will give us 360 degrees. If we want to work here, these are angles of interior angles. So just a 60 minus 180 degree will give us 120 degree. Therefore, your X is 120 degree. So you can work, you say 60 degree plus this X here plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Don't forget I told you move the figure